Web3 offers a revolutionary way to earn, providing opportunities for everyone willing to explore its depths. The first step is to understand the technology behind Web3, including blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and decentralized applications. Next, consider investing in cryptocurrencies, as they can offer significant returns with proper research and timing. Another way to earn is through participating in decentralized finance, or DeFi, which enables users to lend, borrow, and earn interest on their assets. Creating and selling non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, can also be a lucrative avenue for artists and content creators. Bitcoin has surged into the spotlight, captivating investors and technology enthusiasts alike with its unprecedented rise in value. In a world increasingly leaning towards digital currencies, Bitcoin stands out as a revolutionary force challenging traditional finance. Social media platforms are buzzing with discussions about Bitcoin as influencers and experts share their insights and predictions. As more businesses begin to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, its legitimacy and practicality continue to grow. The volatility of Bitcoin remains a double-edged sword, enticing risk-takers while also cautioning potential investors. Regulatory discussions surrounding Bitcoin are heating up, with governments worldwide grappling with how to approach this digital asset. Despite the challenges, Bitcoin advocates argue that its decentralized nature empowers individuals against centralized financial systems. As Bitcoin continues to capture the imagination of millions, its potential to reshape the future of money becomes increasingly evident. The upcoming Bitcoin halving event is generating excitement, as many believe it could lead to another significant price surge. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, understanding the pathways to wealth online in 2025 begins with recognizing emerging trends and opportunities. Investing in cryptocurrency could present a lucrative opportunity, but it requires careful research and strategic planning. Leveraging social media platforms for marketing can significantly enhance brand visibility and attract potential customers. Creating and selling online courses in niche subjects can be a profitable venture, tapping into the growing demand for e-learning. Establishing a dropshipping business can provide a low-risk entry point into e-commerce, allowing you to sell products without holding inventory. Affiliate marketing offers the potential for passive income by promoting products and earning commissions on sales. Investing time in search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for driving organic traffic to your website and increasing its visibility. Utilizing influencer partnerships can amplify your brand message and reach a wider audience through trusted voices. Building a personal brand by sharing your expertise and experiences can create valuable connections and open doors to new opportunities. Cryptocurrency airdrops are exciting opportunities for users to receive free tokens and join the rapidly growing world of digital assets. As these airdrops can often lead to significant gains, it's essential to stay informed about the latest projects and distributions. To ensure you don't miss out, make sure to like our video and subscribe for more updates on upcoming airdrops and crypto news. Engaging with our community will help you stay ahead in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Remember, every like and subscription helps us provide more valuable content tailored to your interests in crypto.